Hi everyone, welcome to ITPK. Today we are diving deep into a key feature of Microsoft Intune that's setting up a help desk in the admin center that empowers your users to easily get assistance with their corporate devices or with email address issue, or if they have any other issue they would be able to get to you via Intune company portal or using the browser. Imagine it's Monday morning and employees are starting their week with a host of tasks. However, several of them are facing email issues that are hindering their productivity. They are calling IT support, sending emails, and pulling their hair out as they await response times they feel like an eternity. This scenario is all too common in corporate environment, which is why having an integrated help desk can make such a difference. Today, we will learn how to set up a help desk within Microsoft Intune so that users can easily access contact information directly from their corporate devices. And this is not only streamline the support process but also enhances user satisfaction by providing immediate access to the resources they need assistance. To get to the help desk from company portal, I've gathered some information screenshots for you. In your company portal app, when you will open the company portal app, you will see the help desk icon in the menu. Like in the menu, we have home, apps, devices. You will also be able to see help desk icon there, right? As I'm showing on the screen. Also, if you want to access this help desk via browser, you can put this URL portal.manage.microsoft.com, and then you have to log in with your company provided email to get to the help desk, right? So let's go ahead to Intune company portal and try to set up help desk for end users. And please note that this help desk will only work on corporate devices. User will be able to get the help desk email, your contact, only from the corporate devices that is registered with Intune, and they will be able to see this information in the company portal app or in the browser. So to log in into Microsoft Intune, you must be a global administrator or Intune service administrator, and you could log in into Microsoft Intune by using the URL intune.microsoft.com. So once you are logged in into Microsoft Intune, you can go directly to the tenant administration from this sidebar menu. In the tenant administration, scroll a little down and under end user experience, please go to customization. In the customization, you would be able to see the default settings here, right? Like support information is empty now, have no contact name, phone number, email address, website URL, or any other information here. So this is default customization that apply to all users and devices. It can be edited but not deleted. Preview customization on the company portal website. You can open or you can click on this blue section to preview customization on the company portal website. That will open the same URL I was mentioning you earlier. So now let's go ahead and edit this setting. In the customization, the first thing we have to enter here, that is organization name. Let's say the organization name is ITPK. In the color scheme, you want to select standard or custom, standard or custom. If I come to standard, I will be able to choose the color from here. But what I want here, I will be happy with the default blue color. Show in header. So choose what you want to display in the header of company portal app and website in Intune app. We want only organization name, we want organization logo only, or we want both organization name and the logo. Here you have the option to upload the logo for theme color background. So as I am creating this video just for your understanding. So I don't have any logo and I'm not uploading any logo right now. Let's scroll down and it's saying upload logo for white or light background. Again, I'm not uploading any logo here. So let's scroll down and skip all these logo and brand image information and go to our required information, that is sport information. You can enter all of this information as per your requirements. As I am creating this video for the purpose of training and information, so I am skipping all of the above information. In the contact name, I want to say ITPK support. Okay, I am entering the support phone number here, right? And also I have entered the support email address here. Let's say, okay, I've entered the support email address here as well. In the support website, I wanna enter the itpk.com website here, and additional information we can say itpk support survey desk. Let's enter the website name as well. Okay, we have entered all of the support required information here. Okay, let's scroll down and see what else we need to enter here. Device enrollment available with prompts. That's fine. I'm not going to change anything here. In the privacy URL, I have entered ITPK privacy URL here, right? And please note, I again want to repeat this. This all information is just for your understanding so that you will be able to understand all this scenario and you will be able to deploy any setting according to your requirement. So privacy message about what support can't see or do, right? If you want to add a privacy message for what support cannot see or do, you can enter that detail here. That will also be helpful, right? And the privacy message about what support can see or do. Okay, in the device categories, let users select device categories in the company portal app. So if you want user to select the device categories from the company portal app, you can set it allow block according to your requirement. So I will keep this to allow. And the next option we have app sources. Choose which additional app sources will be shown in company portal app. Microsoft Enterprise application. That's fine. You can show that. Office online application. Show that in company portal. Configuration manager application. Show that in company portal. That's fine. That's not a problem for me. But you could set all this information according to your requirement. The next option we have for hiding features. Prevent or allow users to perform self-service actions on devices in a company portal, website, and client tab. Hide reset button on corporate Windows devices. Hide remove button on corporate iOS, iPad devices, hide reset button on corporate iOS, iPad devices. So for now, I don't want to change any of this information here, and I only want to hide reset button on corporate iOS and iPad devices and hide reset button on corporate Windows devices here. Let's review the setting. At this page, you could review all of the setting you have set up here. Then you can click on save. Now the saving of information is in progress. And okay, now we have applied and set up all the support information which user will get into the company portal app or by going to the URL portal.manage.microsoft.com and then log in with the user's email, and they should log in on corporate devices with their corporate email address registered with Microsoft Intune. So once they are logged in, they will immediately get this contact number and support information, and they could directly contact your service desk to get their issues fixed to increase productivity. So that's it about today's simple and to the point tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. Take care. Bye.